All right, welcome to Ask Paint Coach. Today's question, it says, I struggle with the aftermath, the cleaning. I'm an art teacher and mother of two, so sometimes I get discouraged after a long work day because it takes so long to clean brushes and my palette. Any tips or suggestions about a quick and more efficient cleaning process would be greatly appreciated. I'd also like to transition to not using turpentine anymore because the fumes and harshness on the brushes. What are your thoughts on that? Thanks so much. Well, as far as the cleaning, I totally understand that. I feel like I'm very lazy with cleaning my brushes and having a clean, organized studio. I try my best. Two major things that save you a lot of time. One, get some brush dip. I get it from Geneva Art. It's like, I think it's a mixture of safflower oil and clove oil. And it's just kind of like a bath. Like I get one of those, those like plastic couple dollar trays you can buy at the hardware store for painting, like when you're painting the walls in your house. So I get that so it's on a slant. And I just put my brushes in there when I'm done. And like, I don't have to clean them or anything. I just put them in there. And since they're in that oil, the paint never dries. And next time I'm ready to go, I pick them up, squeeze it off with a paper towel, and I'm good to paint. So that's one way to save a lot of time. The second way to save a lot of time is use a pad of palette paper. Do I like using it as much as a glass palette? No, but it is so nice to, when I'm done painting, just crumple it up, throw it away, and got a clean palette ready for you there next time. So as far as the toxic fumes go, I actually don't use turpentine. I use Gamblin's Gamsol, which is a low aromatic mineral spirits, and they've refined it down to where it's only 0.005% trace amounts of the aromatic solvents, which are the most harmful components of mineral spirits. So very, 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 very low. And when I'm not using them, the jar I have them in, I make sure to keep a lid on it. That, coupled with good ventilation and air purifier, I don't seem to have a problem with them. If you don't want to do that, you can always use, I think Chelsea Studios has some non-toxic mineral spirits or brush cleaner, or you can use water mixable oil paints, which I've used before and find really, really good. So hope that helps. If you have a question, leave it in the comments section of this video, and it just might get answered in a future Ask Paint Coach video. All right, it's time for you to go get painting.